AI documentary channels are blowing up right now on YouTube. Some creators are getting millions of views using cinematic AI-generated storytelling with only a few uploads. Channels like Chloe vs. History are pulling massive numbers with historical point-of-view documentaries and cinematic survival stories. Other faceless documentary creators are building channels that generate hundreds of thousands of monthly views using AI visuals, narration, and animated storytelling. Some of these channels are estimated to earn thousands of dollars per month from long-form documentary content alone. And the craziest part is that most of these videos are being created without expensive cameras, actors, or huge editing teams. Creators are now using AI workflows to generate scripts, visuals, narration, animation, captions, and full cinematic documentaries much faster than traditional production methods. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how creators are making these viral AI documentary videos using AI. We will go from script generation all the way to the final exported cinematic documentary. Now, let me show you the exact workflow to produce cinematic animated story videos from start to finish. The tool we are using is called Clippie AI. Click the link in the description and sign up with your Google account. Clippie AI is an all-in-one video creation platform built specifically for faceless content creators. The reason it works so well for the documentary format is that it handles every single layer of production inside one workflow. Your script, your visuals, your voiceover, your music, your captions, and your export are all managed in the same place, which means you are not jumping between 5 different tools and stitching everything together manually. When you log in, the first thing you are going to do is click on AI Story Video in the left sidebar, and it is the one designed specifically for long-form narrated content. The whole thing from a blank page to a rendered file can be done in minutes. You can paste in the script manually or use the AI script writer and enter a detailed documentary prompt. The more cinematic and emotional your prompt is, the better your results will look. For example, instead of typing Titanic documentary, type something like create a cinematic emotional survival documentary about the final moments inside the Titanic as passengers struggle to escape the flooding ship. Detailed prompts create much stronger storytelling, scene consistency, and emotional pacing. After entering the prompt, select the desired script length. If you are making a YouTube documentary, choose a longer duration so the AI generates enough narration and scenes for a long-form video. To keep this tutorial short, I will choose a duration of 2 minutes. For the theme, I will choose historical and leave the tone as cinematic. Then click Generate and allow Clippie AI to build the full documentary script automatically. Once the script is generated, move to the voice section. There is a filter option that allows you to filter voices by language and gender so that you narrow down the choices. This is where you select the narrator voice for the documentary. Clippie AI includes multiple realistic AI voices. For cinematic documentaries, choose a calm and emotional narration voice that sounds natural and immersive. You can preview different voices until you find one that matches the mood of your story. After selecting the narration voice, click Generate Scenes. Before generating, select your aspect ratio depending on the platform you are targeting. For shorts or TikTok-style content, use vertical format. For YouTube documentaries, use widescreen format. Next, choose the generation mode. Fast mode creates shorter scenes quickly, using fewer images, while normal mode creates more cinematic scenes with longer timing and smoother storytelling. For long documentary videos, normal mode usually gives better results because the pacing feels more immersive and emotional. Then click Generate Scenes. Clippie AI will now begin converting the script into fully visualized scenes with AI-generated imagery and synchronized narration. Once the scenes finish generating, this is where the customization stage begins. Every scene can now be edited individually. If you do not like a generated image, you can regenerate it with a new prompt. You can also replace images completely, upload your own visuals, or generate entirely new cinematic shots. Since we are creating a long-form YouTube documentary, I am going to select the landscape format. Then click on the scene image and choose Animate. Next, before generating any animations, make sure you have enough credits available in your account. This is the stage where we bring our scenes to life using the Seedance video generation models. Start by selecting your preferred resolution, which will determine the overall quality of the final video. Then confirm the aspect ratio and choose the duration for your animated clip. Once everything is set up, enter a detailed motion prompt describing how you want the scene to move and behave. The more specific your motion instructions are, the more cinematic and realistic the animation will look. When you are happy with the settings, click Animate and allow Clippie AI to generate the animated scene.
Lapped at the polished wood of the Titanic's grand.
Inside each scene, you can apply cinematic motion effects to bring the visuals to life. Add slow camera pushes, cinematic pans, environmental movement, and subtle motion to create a realistic documentary atmosphere, or use the saved presets such as zoom in plus pan right. These small details dramatically improve retention because the scenes feel alive instead of static. Repeat this process for the remaining scenes until your entire documentary has been fully animated. Once all the animations are complete, move on to the sound design stage. Clippie AI allows you to add background music directly within your project, which plays a huge role in documentary storytelling because it helps shape the emotion, atmosphere, and tension of each scene. You can choose from the available music library or upload your own soundtrack for greater creative control. After selecting your music, adjust the volume so it sits comfortably beneath the narration. The voiceover should always remain clear and easy to understand, while the music enhances the viewing experience without becoming distracting. With the audio in place, the next step is to polish the visuals. Clippie AI includes a range of cinematic effects and overlays that can help make your documentary feel more professional and immersive. Depending on the style of your project, you can add atmospheric effects, visual enhancements, and cinematic touches that complement the mood of the story and create a more engaging final viewing experience. Now move to the captions section. Captions are extremely important for retention because many viewers watch videos without sound initially. Clippie AI includes multiple caption templates with live previews. Choose a clean cinematic caption style that matches the documentary tone. Adjust the font size, positioning, and timing to make the captions easy to read without distracting from the visuals. Once everything looks polished, move to the export section. Name your video and click Export to render the video. Clippie AI will process the entire documentary, including narration, animated visuals, music, captions, transitions, and effects into a finished cinematic video ready for YouTube. After rendering is complete, download the final video. Here is the result.
The icy water lapped at the polished wood of the Titanic's grand staircase, a cruel reminder of the fate that awaited those who lingered. It was April the 15th, 1912, and the unsinkable ship was sinking. Panic erupted as the ship tilted, sending crystal chandeliers crashing to the floor, their shards glinting like stars in the chaos. "Women and children first," a steward shouted, his voice barely piercing the cacophony of screams and splashing water. In the first-class lounge, a mother clutched her child, her heart racing as she scanned the room for an escape. The opulence of the ship felt like a cruel joke now, as the reality of their situation sank in deeper than the ship itself. In the third-class quarters, a group of men fought against the tide of bodies, desperate to reach the deck.
This entire workflow allows creators to produce long-form cinematic documentary videos much faster than traditional production methods. Instead of using separate tools for scripting, voiceovers, image generation, animation, captions, and editing, Clippie AI combines the entire storytelling pipeline into one system that dramatically speeds up production while maintaining cinematic quality. If you found this useful, subscribe because we cover exactly this kind of workflow every week. Drop your documentary niche idea in the comments below. I read all of them. The link to Clippie AI is in the description. Go build something. I will see you in the next one.